Informal communication, mastering casual emails and letters. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal communication, focusing on the art of writing casual emails and letters. Remember, not all communication requires the strict rules of formality. There are times when being relaxed and personal is the way to go. Let's explore some examples. Before we start with the examples, let's get a clear understanding of informal communication. Unlike formal communication, which observes strict rules and a certain level of seriousness, informal communication is relaxed and personal. It's used in situations where we interact with our friends, family, or anyone we share a close relationship with. Emails are a common medium for both formal and informal communication. When writing informal emails, we often use 1. Colloquial language. This includes slang, abbreviations, emojis, and exclamation points. They make the email seem friendlier and more personal. 2. Direct speech. We write as we speak in casual conversation, which often includes contractions like I'm, don't, can't, etc. 3. First name basis. It's normal to address people by their first name in informal emails. Let's look at an example. Subject: Hey Alex, long time no see. Hey Alex, it's been ages since we last caught up. I've been thinking we should have a coffee one of these days. What do you say? Anyway, let me know. Catch you later. Best, James. Informal letters are not as commonly used today as emails, but they are still relevant, particularly when we want to add a personal touch to our communication. When writing an informal letter, we follow the same principles as we did with emails. Let's take a look at an example. Dear Alex, how are you? I can't believe it's been a year since our last vacation. Do you remember how we got lost in the city? I hope we can catch up soon. Drop me a line when you're free. Take care, James. There you have it. Writing informal emails and letters can be as simple as having a friendly conversation. It's all about being yourself and maintaining a casual tone. Remember, practice is key in mastering this skill. So why don't you try writing an informal email or letter today? Thanks for joining us on this journey through informal communication. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons. Happy learning!